everybody, thank you for joining me for this video today. My name is Nicole and I'm a part-time reseller on eBay and Poshmark, and today I have a thrift store haul for you guys. So you guys know I'm doing the 7 days of hauls, so this is going to be in that genre of videos. This haul is pretty exciting in my opinion. It's going to be a little bit of a combined haul because I stopped at a thrift store today. I just picked up a couple things, and then yesterday I went thrifting after I had an appointment, and so after I was done with my appointment, I went thrifting at just one thrift store, and I found some really awesome stuff that I'm going to show you. But anyway, like I said, my name's Nicole. I'm a part-time reseller on eBay and Poshmark, getting more on the full-time now, but I'm still kind of part-time. But I want to show you the stuff I got, and I'll kind of tell you why. And I got a few things for myself too. So the first thing is actually this really cute sweater. It is leopard print, with really cute with black leggings or jeans. It's just Maurice's, and I don't know if I'll sell this or not. I might see if I can find a stock photo of it if it doesn't fit me good. So if I like the way it fits me and the way it looks, then I'll probably keep it, but I only paid $2 for that. This is kind of like a shacket or jacket. It is by Cabela's. I'm going to market this as a shacket, I guess. It is like kind of almost like a quilted, I don't know. But I picked it up because, sorry, my lighting's not great, it's dark. I picked it up because I liked the style. I felt like it was kind of on trend, like for the shacket type thing. And then I picked this up. This is not any particular brand or anything, but it's kind of got pattern. I picked this up not for really even, maybe a little bit for style, but what's really popular right now, if you've heard of like Love, I think it's called Love Shack. It's like a brand where there's a lot of sweaters and embroidery, and it's really on trend right now. I'm trying something new. I'm gonna try to embroider a few sweaters and then see if I can resell them. So I thought this would be super cute for embroidering. It is kind of lightweight, so it would be really great for the fall. And it is like a coral color, I would say, a salmon or a coral. Yeah, coral probably. I think this would look really cute modeled if I can put together some type of embroidery. So I'm kind of learning, so it's kind of an experiment. So I would say out of those three pieces, the one piece that I'm pretty sure is probably going to sell okay is the Cabela's piece. Cabela's is like an outdoorsy brand, plus it's kind of on the trend of like a shacket slash jacket, which is still popular. So the next thing is really why I wanted to do this video, because I found multiples of these, and I'm going to talk to you a little bit about them. This is like a bubblegum pink color. It is like a mock neck ribbed sweater. Now it's a workout, like a workout sweater, okay? So this goes through your thumb. This is by the brand Adam Selman, which I've never heard of, but I guess he does a lot of athletic wear. And this one doesn't have the tag, but I found multiples of this that have the brand new tag, which I'll show you in the next one. Now I paid $8 for this, but these are selling between like $50 and $100. So on Poshmark, and I didn't look this particular one up on eBay, but the leggings are selling for a lot too, and I found leggings and tops. So that's one of them. I'll kind of tell you how many I got. This one still has the tags, which is awesome because I can sell it as new with tag. It's nylon knit, rib knit, mock neck, bubblegum. Okay, and Adam Selman. This one's brand new with tags. I do need to look over some of these because I can see this one actually has a little issue. I didn't look over them. I was kind of in a hurry. There's a little hole there, but I honestly kind of wanted to keep one of these for myself. So I'll probably just keep this one if the other ones are all in good condition. So I definitely, this one was also 8. So, I don't know who donated these. Okay, I have no idea. These are a pair of the leggings. These are a size extra small. These were also 8. I think they put 8 for most of them. Now, like I said, these are going for like 50 to 100 on Poshmark. And I have to check eBay comps again, but they're like ribbed. So that's a pair of leggings. I picked up every one that they had. This is another top. This one's a small. It's brand new with tags again. This one's got, I don't know. It says no returns without that. I don't know who bought these. I don't know why. I have absolutely no idea why you would donate these, especially some of these look like the leggings when they're new with tags. The leggings look like they're about $225 new with tags. And it looks like this brand is sold on Carbon 48. So I'm not sure. This is another extra small. I mean, it's crazy. I couldn't believe I found them. I picked up every one. I'll have to count at the end how many. This is a size extra small again. Has the tag. Let's see. This says returns will only be accepted if the tag remains attached. So this is still a tag, but not the same as the other tag. So these are the leggings. What I'm going to try to do is put these together as sets. These are size medium as much as I can. Another pair. And another pair. These are size large, which is great. So some of the leggings look like the leggings were these ones were 8. The large they charged 8 for, or 9 for, and then the other ones they charged 8 for. I could not believe that I found all these. So if I'm lucky, let's see, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 of these. So I really think that I'm going to be able to probably make, we'll see. I mean, I don't know, because I've never sold this brand before. It does look like these go for a lot. Solds are a lot, and there's not a lot, especially the tops. There's not, I don't think, a lot of the tops on Poshmark at all. I'll put them on eBay as well. I really think I could probably make 500 to 600, maybe more on those, depending on what I can sell the leggings for. I'll probably start them a little bit higher, and I might put a couple sets together so that I can sell them as pairs, because I'll be able to get more out of that, and then it would be one sale. You know, I wouldn't have to bag up multiples. But anyway, I thought that was so exciting. I was like, I never heard this brand, but these look like really good quality. And I don't know why. This is it's a thrift store. It's called Good Steward. And I don't know why. Once in a while, I will find a bunch of new with tag items. I found multiple new tag items of Eileen Fisher there. Not like this, though. This was like just put out, I think. And they actually, you know, they were charging $8 to $9 per item. So that's kind of a lot, but I was like, well, I looked online and I could see that some were going for 50 or more. And I was like, well, I can make, even if I can only make 20 on each piece profit, that's still really good profit. You know, I'm still okay with that. So I kind of just went with it. And I'm glad I did. I'm hoping that they sell good. And then I did pick up one other item. I do like to buy Y2K type stuff. I really like buying that. I actually sold a Y2K bundle today on Poshmark, and I remember that era very well. That was when I was like, I would say I was in my mid to late teens, early 2000s, and that era was really, I just love that. I love the fashion, and that's when I really started getting into fashion too. So I really love it. And so whenever I find something, I'm like, oh yeah, that definitely was Y2K. I remember wearing something like that. I remember seeing that at the store. I did pick this skirt up. This is definitely Y2K. It's such bad lighting, but it's got like the cargo pockets on the sides, and it's no boundaries. And if you look, this is the old, like early to mid 2000s no boundaries. tag. Yeah, so that's exciting. I really love Y2K style, and I'm trying more and more to really, I keep picking them up because it keeps selling. I would say it's probably not quite as popular as it was. At least it doesn't seem like it is. Maybe it is. I don't know. Maybe like, so I remember, I would say maybe 10 months ago. Maybe it was longer than that. I don't remember, but maybe it was like a year ago. Y2K was really, really popular too, but it's still, I'm still doing great with Y2K stuff. Like I said, I just sold a bundle of Y2K pieces on Poshmark, and I would say I frequently, multiple times a week, I'm selling something that is what I would consider like Y2K style. So yeah, so that's my haul. I hope you guys liked it. I'm really excited about getting those listed. Hopefully they will be selling soon. Long sleeves, that's great because it's going into colder weather. They are full-length leggings, which is also great. They're a really crazy color, so that's my only thing. Not everyone likes to wear that outgoing, vibrant colors when they're working out, but we'll see. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for joining for this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and comment if you have any questions. If you're interested in any of the pieces that you see in this video, please check the description box for my Poshmark closet. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you later. Bye.